Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are getting ready to go to Mexico for 3 nights and 4 days, and it's an 8-hour drive. So I thought I would show you what I packed to keep a toddler entertained for 8 hours, all of us fed for 8 hours until we get there, because driving through Guatemala is not like driving through the US. There may be 3 restaurants between here and Mexico within that 8-hour drive. So I pack all of our food, snacks, fruits, vegetables, sandwiches, drinks, stuff like that, plus games, entertainment for Angel for that 8-hour drive, as well as loading our phones with as much music as possible to get us through the trip. And the good news is you're going to Mexico with us. Yay! I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, this is what we're packing. So I love Mexico. The weather is hot. And it's very humid, and I love it because it's the only place I ever wear dresses and sandals. So I have 3 dresses. Angel has his 3 favorite books: The Dragon Dance, God Bless You, and Good Night, which we read every night before bed, and The Very Hungry Caterpillar, which just happens to be his favorite book right now. Then we're taking his helicopter, his fire truck, his dump truck, his monster truck, and his race car, all picked out by him. Is that what we're taking? Okay. Then we have our beach towels and our swimwear, pile of clothes for 4 days for Daddy, 4 days for Angel, and of course my dresses. And then this is part of our entertainment in the truck. So this is just a cookie sheet that we have, and you have these numbers that are magnetic to them. And Angel likes to play with this. You're making a lot of fuss. Are we reading a book? Okay, we're gonna go read a book. I think somebody wants to go on vacation with us. Does anybody else take all the sheets and pillowcases off their bed the day before they go on vacation? Wash everything so when you come back, it's all nice and clean. Let me know in the comments below. I always do. This is what I pack for an 8-hour road trip. So we have some peanuts, raisins, and chocolate, chips, Gorp. The granola bars are pretty much for on the way home, not on the way there. The popcorn is for when we get to our Airbnb, the house that we stay at all the time. Homemade lemonade for the trip. We've got carrots, broccoli, ranch dip. I only usually bring 1 thing of fruit because you have to finish all the fruit before you cross over to the Mexican border. You're not allowed to transport fruit between borders, and then string cheese. So we're gonna pack it all up. Angel's gonna eat some broccoli. You gonna eat some broccoli right now? That's for the trip. That's for tomorrow. Yeah, for tomorrow. So we are all ready. So this is what our trip looks like. We will probably stop once, depending on Angel. We have a changing station in the back of the truck that I set up so we don't have to necessarily pull over to change him. I just kind of jump into the back and then pull him back there with me while we're driving. And again, it's a lot of mountain roads, country roads, so it's not that fast anyway. Pretty slow. So don't touch the lemonade. Ooh, careful. Okay, say goodbye. Say we'll see you on the way. Are we gonna see them on the way? And if you haven't noticed, for those who follow my vlogs, look at my new kitchen table and chairs. It's huge. I love it. Angel loves it. He thinks he owns it. Yeah, you want the ranch, huh? That's for tomorrow. Okay, say goodbye. We'll see you in the truck. Are we gonna see them on the way? Yeah? Okay, say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Watch this funny face. No, just your finger. Put it in your mouth. Yeah, you're not a big fan of ranch yet. You think you are though, so. Anyway, all right, we'll see you on the road, guys. We're leaving tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. So I'm glad you're coming with us. I hope you stick with us. Say bye.